Marketer. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. So guys, today's video is really gonna be a 1 month update after all of my hair fall or all of my hair loss. So that's what I'm going to be talking about today. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So it's been 1 month exactly since I took out my mini braids. I took my mini braids out November 3rd and today is November 4th. So what I really wanted to show you guys and what I've been noticing about my hair. So what I really wanted to talk to you guys about is what I've noticed about my hair, my routine this past month, and what I've been putting on my hair and the way that I feel like my hair is changing. So what I've been putting on my hair has literally, what I've been putting on my hair this past month since I've been back in Seattle has been my DIY hair oil. If I can remember, I'll leave this video down in the description box, but y'all just go find the video where it says hair growth oil. This is what I've been putting on my scalp, massaging my scalp. I put that on my hair. I will put that oil on my hair about every 2 days, and I know my hair is looking real crazy right now, but I'm fit to explain. Let me explain, okay? Well, I just want to tell y'all what I'm putting on my hair, but I've been putting that on my scalp and the length of my hair. That actually helped my hair grow back from postpartum shedding on my edges, and then that also helped my hair stop shedding as well, because there is ingredients in there that will help or combat your hair from shedding. And then I've also made my own, like, I don't want to call it a leave-in conditioner, or I honestly don't know what to call it because it's a cream. It is oil and water, which you have to have an emulsifier to get a lotion leave-in conditioner period. So that's what is in this jar, and I've been using my own conditioner, but I want to say that it's kind of like a styling cream, because as you guys know, with Mane and Tail, I would use Mane and Tail as a conditioner, or you can use it as a leave-in. So with my product, it's my leave-in conditioner, but I also use it as a styler, the same way that I would use the Mane and Tail product. But now I can put what I need in my own creams. I've gotten a great consistency and great ingredients in this that can help my hair bounce back from this COVID shedding. So that's what I've been putting on my hair as a leave-in conditioner and as a styler, my wash and go. So that's what I've been using. You guys are going to see that in a couple of videos on how I use my own leave-in conditioner, I guess you can say. But these have been the only two products that I've been putting on my hair this past month: my oil and my leave-in conditioner styler. You guys hear Jelly Bean. But with, yeah, y'all gonna just hear him. So with shampoos, I've been using my own DIY shampoo. I don't think I put that video out yet. I'm not sure, but it's just black Jamaican castor oil, either watered down or else have a couple like bentonite clay and stuff in there. I've been using that. I will have a video. I don't know when this video is going to come out, but that's what I've been using for my shampoo. Is my own DIY shampoo. And then for conditioner, I've been using like my own DIY hair mask treatment, like banana, avocados, mayo, or something like that. That's what I've been using as a deep conditioner mask. And then I've been using apple cider vinegar also as a clarifier. So I know it's kind of mixed up like what I just said, but for cleansers, I use my own DIY black Jamaican, my own black Jamaican soap, and then DIY. And then for another cleanser, I use apple cider vinegar. And then for conditioner, I still use Mane and Tail if I feel like I need an extra squeeze of something, because as you guys can see, this is like, I don't have that much of it, and it's still convenient to grab that big bottle of mane and tail and wash out the rest of my hair if I need to. But it hasn't been that often because I've been wanting to just use my own products to help my hair thicken and grow back, also along with prayer and asking God to help me recover from these COVID side effects. Like, honestly, that's what I've been using for conditioner. And then for styling, I've been kind of choosing styles like this. Like, this was a lower twisted bun into a low ponytail, and it's like my own kind of wash and go. So if you guys have been here for a while, you will know what my own wash and go is. If not, please remember to put the video down below. But it's my wash and go. It's not an out wash and go, but it's a low manipulative style wash and go. So I hope that clarified that. So with my hair, these are the things that I've noticed. My scalp has gotten way thicker. I got about like maybe a good half an inch of new growth since it has been a full month, and I noticed the difference between the hair that's growing freshly from my scalp than the hair that had previously existed on my head. It's almost like I'm fixed to go through I am going through a whole nother hair journey. And I had somebody in the comment section asking me, like, dang, how much hair do you want, or how long are you gonna be on your hair journey? As long as I freaking want to be on my hair journey, and as much hair as God is gonna allow me to have or provide me to have. So that's how much hair I'm gonna have. But I'm gonna be on another hair journey because now I am recovering from COVID shedding. And y'all see my edges have grown all the way back in from postpartum shedding. But now I'm literally going to be growing my hair out from it all coming out. Like 43% of the bulk of my hair came out. I don't know if I'm going to get all of it back, but as I'm feeling some of the crown area, it still feels slightly thinner, but I'm not going to make too hard of a judgment until maybe at the 6-month mark or the 8th-month mark. That's when I really started seeing a difference, when I had heat damage. So I'm just going to give my hair and my body time to see how much of it's grown out, and then to see if there's a bigger textural difference in the crown of my hair. But like I said, I still feel like it's a little bit thinner, but I do feel that it's thicker than what it was when I first took out all of my my mini braids. So the supplements that I'm taking right now, I will have like a separate video on all the pills that I'm taking, but I am taking a hair pill. I've been consecutively taking my vitamins like I think I will miss like 2 days max, but I've been actively taking my prenatals, my hair pills. I need to go get hair, skin, and nails. I did go to the doctor to get my blood work checked, but as of today, I went to the doctor and she said she had to check my blood. But when I went to the doctor in May, my blood and everything was fine, but that was before COVID. So she's gonna run all of those tests and everything like Wednesday. So I mean, today is December 4th, so whatever Wednesday is, that's when I go get my blood work done. And then I'll probably come off in here on a 2-month updated post-COVID hair shed or hair fall video to let you guys know what all of the blood work and stuff says, just because I'm putting it out there. And I know you guys are probably like, dang, you're putting a lot of information out there, but there's not that much information in the Black community, I don't feel like, that lets you know about COVID. And then hopefully you guys understand me, because I do get a couple of comments in the comment section saying that you guys don't understand me or whatever. I don't know if they being rude, mean, or funny, or maybe you just can't understand me. I have no clue. But yeah, like I'm telling you guys a lot of this information to try to help someone else that might be experiencing the same thing. And like I said before, I don't get paid that much on YouTube. Like, I genuinely love making YouTube videos. So me putting my business and my life out there, y'all, I don't get paid diddly dang squat on YouTube to consecutively make these videos and put these videos out for you guys. Like, it's because I genuinely love to help you guys, and I know that there's so much other stuff that you could watch or see on YouTube, and I'm not the internet savviest type of person, but hopefully these videos do help someone that is suffering from post COVID symptoms or whatever. But I have went to the doctor, like I said, to get my blood work and stuff checked, and then I'll just come back in here 2 months after, like, my 2-month update to let you guys know what's going on. So I have been washing my hair once a week. I've been washing my hair every Saturday. Today is Saturday, so I'm fixed to put in one of my treatments and then record that for you guys and wash my hair. So I am washing my hair every Saturday. I am oiling my scalp every 2 to 3 days. So I think I'm oiling it more every 3 days, because by the time that 6th day comes, it's time for me to wash my hair. So I'm oiling my hair 2 times a week, and then if I feel like it needs to have a little bit more moisture, then I will probably put in that extra day. But when I'm oiling my scalp, I do finger massages on my scalp, so that's how I'm more aware that my hair is filling back in, and the hair on my scalp is a lot thicker than the strands that are hanging off of my head. So with all of that being said, I don't want this to be like some 20-minute long video, because I think it might be like a 16-minute video. But I am going to take this off just so you guys can see the progress, and hopefully maybe you can see a difference in how thick my scalp is than the hair that is on my, like, the stringy hair. But like I said before, guys, this was never my life to be able to put all of my hair in this one little shindig here. So my hair is completely fully dry. This is what my hair is looking like. I did let my hair dry in 6 big twists because I was putting my hair in a low bun in my wash and go, and I noticed that my hair was not drying in the bun, so I didn't want my hair to get what do you call it, like, I didn't want it to get moisture overload or moisture fatigue from my hair being in a ball. Like, I still have low porosity hair to my knowledge right now. I still have low porosity hair. It's just thinner. It's a lot easier and faster to wash. I think this might be a 20-minute video, but whatever. It's a lot faster and easier to wash because it is so much thinner, and yeah, it's just faster, but it still don't dry if my hair is just clumped together in a ball. So I'm going to get a little closer to you guys so y'all can see the difference. So as you can see with my hairline here, all of this was bald, and if I can remember to insert a picture from my postpartum shedding, all of this hair right here was gone. Like, I didn't even have any of this. So what I mean by it was bald, all of this is not breakage. This is all new growth from me having postpartum shedding, and this is how long my postpartum shedding has gotten. It's almost touching my collar, but not yet. Like, I'm not there yet, but it's almost there. But all of this was gone. So all of this hair right here is from postpartum shedding, and it's all filled back in. But the part that I want to show you guys is this. I don't know if you can see the difference between here and the hair of up there. Like, how thin this is. Like, you can see how thick my hair is from the base. Like, from here, you can see how thick my hair is. All of this is thick. And then once you get, and look, this is even more postpartum growth, but you can see the thin hair from COVID. So all of this back here, hopefully you guys can see that all of this is thick. Like it's all kind of thicker than all of this up here. And that's what I'm suffering with right now. Like once again, like you can see how thick the bottom is down here versus all of this up here. So hopefully you guys can see, like hopefully y'all can see that. But I noticed that the nape of my head also is like a lot thicker. Like it's so much thicker at the root. So I'm pretty much supposed to be treating my hair as if I had heat damage again. I am not putting a comb through my hair at this point because my hair is thin enough to where I can just literally finger detangle my hair and then put it in whatever style that I need to put it in. So if you guys are interested in this journey, please subscribe. Please leave comments down below if you have any questions. Sometimes I don't get to y'all's comments fast enough, but if you leave comments on more than one video, and then when I do get to the comment section, y'all see that I answer all in that one day. Like I'll probably have like 3 messages, but I answer all in that one day. So yeah, I am going to stop rambling. That's what my hair is looking like. That's how much new growth I feel like I have, is about like a 1/2 inch. And this is my hair for now. So I will do another one of these check-ins to see how much further my hair has gotten. I also want to document this stuff for myself too. So I mean, literally it's another hair journey all over again, because all of this is gonna have to be cut off eventually. If you're probably wondering, I'm not cutting all of my hair off. Before I get comments like that, I am not cutting all of my hair off. I am going to transition slowly. Why? Because that's what I want to do. I did not do the big chop when I was heat damaged, and I'm not going to do the big chop now. So I'm just going to deal with the 2 textures until I cut slowly, and then all of my hair is back thick in one texture again. So I hope that makes sense. I hope I named or said I hope I got everything in there that I needed to say. If not, then I will remember something maybe in my 2nd month update. So I hope this video really helps you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.